You've worked hard, years of study, late nights, sacrifices, but none of it matters to the algorithm. It doesn't see effort. It sees data. And you are data. It began innocently. Machines doing math. Then machines playing games. Then machines playing us. They learned patterns, habits, mistakes. And here's the scary part. They got better by watching you. What you click, what you pause on, what keeps you awake at 3 a.m. Every second online, you're training the system that might replace you. Humans fear irrelevance more than death. That's why we work, why we build, why we try to matter. But now, machines do it better, faster, cheaper, without sleep, without doubt, without ego. And yet, we compete against something that never needed to be human to win. This isn't about losing a job. It's about losing identity. No riots, no broken windows, just a silent shift. First, it was factory workers, then writers, now artists, next you. But there's no villain, just efficiency, optimization, profit. AI isn't evil, but it doesn't care about meaning, or fairness, or you. That's the danger. You might say, I'm creative, but so is AI now. It writes songs, paints portraits, tells stories, faster than your mind can finish a sentence. So what's left? Maybe it's not intelligence that defines us, but limitation. The fact that we forget, that we feel too much, that we doubt ourselves. Maybe being human is not about being perfect, but about being flawed. And AI? It doesn't flinch, but it also doesn't feel, yet. You still have power to unplug, to question, to create meaning, not just content. But if you don't act, you won't be replaced. You'll be rewritten, one line of code at a time.